All right, so we've talked about several assessment elements. There's a few more. What did it happen there? There's a few more that we're going to look at. We're going to go back to our inventory. So we saw in our community build a board. There are 3 types of signs that can be put out. We have a slate, so I'm going to drag that down into my inventory. We have a poster, a little bit bigger than a slate. And then we have our board. And just like you would think, it's like a large board in which we would teach with. The big difference between the 3 of these is the size and how much text can be written in it. Just like with our book and quill, the editing is very limited. So as you saw, my very poor typing skills, I misspelled things and I had some letters capitalized that weren't supposed to be. So that's where you would really want to make sure before you finish the sign or the poster board slate that you're using, you have it in the version that you want it to be. So I'm on my slate, which is our smallest sign. I right-clicked in the area where I wanted the slate to be. In this case, I'm just in the middle of green trees. Maybe I'm talking about the life cycle of the tree. Again, I'm limited in text. You'll also notice when you have your screen up in which you can add the text to the slate, you have your locked button. What is our rule about our buttons? Right on. So once I exit out of this, it is locked. Okay? I can always unlock it if I think I might be able to come back and edit it. And for this purpose, I'm going to keep it unlocked because who knows. And once I close out, you see there's my slate. I think this holds 3 lines, 4 lines, something of that nature, not very much text. Okay, so there's my first tree. The next thing I'm going to place, I'm going to go into my hotbar, I'm going to put a poster down. Very similar to the slate, a few more lines of text, which is why you have the 3 different sizes built in. The slate is very small, maybe just an introductory, like a welcome at the beginning of a school, sign as you're walking in the door. Your poster is a little bit bigger, your biggest size is going to be your board. Again, you can choose to lock it or unlock it, up to you. So I have my little slate over here talking about that tree. I've got a little bit more space over here with my poster. And then over this way, I'm going to go into my hotbar and I'm going to drop my board. You see the massive space I now have in which I can type. And so, again, I just typed a few different things. So you can get an idea, stepping back here, about the difference in size. Your slate, again, very small, couple lines of text. Your poster is a little bit bigger, and your board is your larger piece.